everybody, welcome back to NVS Rides. This is the Blazer, but we're going to be pulling it out. You know what's really cool about that? It can pull out on its own without having something else pull it out. We're going to be working on something a little different. I have not shown you guys this vehicle. We will try and do a review on it, but I bought it and I didn't like the wheels. You know what? Let me just go get it and I'll show you. Let's fire this thing up. Alright, well here it is. 2002 Yukon XL SLT. Yes, it does have Denali wheels on it, but when I bought it, the tires are, let's say, less than ideal, and I don't really like, what is it, Samatomo? I don't know, that one's all, I don't even know if they all match. Well, at least this side does. But what I want to do is put another set of wheels on. So what happened was, I bought this. This will be our family hauler. I'll go pull cars with it because the long wheelbase makes it perfect for that. I got home and I'm like, you know what? I don't know if this is really how I want it to look. So what I'm going to do is look to upgrade just the tires. Well, I called around. I really like Toyo. We were looking at about $1,000 for tires. So I was like, you know what? I'll just look on Marketplace. Chevy 6-lug wheels, black. I really would like black ones. Chrome, looked for both. About gave up, was about to order tires. I was like, I'm gonna look one more time and sort closest to home. And I found a set of wheels. So let me go get them, roll them in and see what you think. All right, so these were the Denali wheels. Here's what we're going to put in its place. Chevy Trail Boss wheels. Now, I'm as concerned as you are. You may not be concerned at all, but I think we're going to have to do some trimming here. And maybe a little bit on that back piece right there. But these do need a bath. They are dirty. They came out of the guy's shed. They will clean up. They got like 5,000 miles on them. The thing that sucks is normally they come with a Michelin, more aggressive, I can't remember the tire name, but a more aggressive all-terrain tire. An older gentleman had these and didn't like the humming as it went down the road. So he switched them out for a street tire, which for this probably going to be okay. This is just a Michelin Wrangler. I mean, it probably comes on a lot of vehicles. It's not amazing, but it's not bad either. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this goes, how it rides. These should ride better than the all-terrain version. I think they're a Duratrack is what the name of them is. But these have a lot of tread left. Let me go ahead and swap them out, and then we'll do a nice reveal for you guys. All right, let's do it. Look at these things. I cleaned them up a little bit. Let's go ahead and give you the size. 275, 65, 18. They are a factory Trail Boss wheel. I wish these were a 20 or a 22, but probably for this, it's as good as it gets. Let me show you what I was concerned about before I show you the whole rig. We are very close here, so I may have to do a little bit of trimming. I still got my hand in there, and I've gone crank to crank and haven't hit, but I'm sure if I hit a bump or something, I may have to. I was worried about having to trim a little bit back here too. Let's go ahead and show it to you. It looks really good. It changed it up from those chromies, and yeah, both sides look really, really good. I need to clean these. These are bad. Don't even look at that. This right here is not a nick in the paint. It's a freaking fly. But yeah, this is an SLT. We'll do a full review on it. It's got your rear captains. Anyways, yeah, there you have it. All I know is I really like how this looks. I have not even registered it yet. I spent the day getting it and then getting the wheels and tires, and then today putting them on. So maybe tomorrow I'll get a tag on it and actually go drive the dang, go drive the dang thing. These things here again, freaking flies. Georgia just is killing me with these dang flies. But anyways, there it is. If you have one of these and you're running the old Denali wheels, they were cool. They're still not bad, but I was able to snag these for $600, or was it $5? Not very much, with tires, and you can see there's a lot of tread. So really good deal. Like I said, the wheels are not the all-terrains. It's an older gentleman that owned these. He didn't like all-terrains. They didn't like the hum of them, so he put these on it and then sold the truck. And the guy I bought it from, these wheels and tires from, ended up lifting it, putting bigger wheels and tires on, and yeah, I reaped the rewards of that one. So not a bad deal. Circle of life as far as cars go. Well, if you can, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.